One day, a chicken and a duck were arguing about who was faster. The chicken goes, "I'm quick on my feet, I cross roads for a living." The duck goes, "Please, I glide across water like an Olympic athlete." So they set up a big race. All the farm animals came to watch. The countdown starts. 3, 2, 1, go. The chicken takes off sprinting, legs flying, feathers everywhere. The duck, it just waddles calmly to the nearest pond and swims straight across. The chicken stops mid-run like, "Wait, hold up, we didn't say swimming was allowed." And the duck just smirks and says, "Bro, you never said it wasn't." Moral of the story? Always read the fine print. Like, comment and subscribe before this joke whooshes past you.